How to block a YouTube channel on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block a YouTube channel on mobile. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser or simply open up your YouTube. On your web browser, you can head over to youtube.com as well. It's completely fine. Just make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, there is no direct block button for our channel itself, but what you can do is you can simply find a video of the channel that you want to block. Then what you'll need to do is you can just remove it from your feed and recommendation by tapping on Don't Recommend Channel. What you can do is tap on the three dots. So let's say this website right here. Then you'll find Don't Recommend Channel option. Tap on Don't Recommend Channel, and after that, the channels from that very, the videos from that very channel will not get displayed on your feed. And that's basically it. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.